Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today is our Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 2390, removing stars from a string. So it's a really simple problem, and what we have to do is we will be given a string and we have to remove all the stars from that particular string. And in one operation, what we'll have to do is we'll have to pick a star and we have to remove the closest left character to it. Okay. And at the end, we'll have to just simply return the string with all stars removed using this operational sequence. Okay. So it's a really simple stack problem in which what we'll be doing is we'll create a stack and for all the alphabetical characters, we're gonna continue to push that character into the stack. And as soon as we'll see a star, we'll just pop the latest one. This is it. This is the complete logic behind that. So let's directly move towards the code. And I have already written the code for you guys. So yeah. So what I'm doing over here is I have defined a stack, okay, with an empty it's an empty stack basically. And what I'm doing is I have calculated the number of characters we have in S just to run the while loop, and this index is initialized with 0. Okay. So now I'll run a while loop till my index is less than number of characters. Okay. And at each character or at each index, I'll check if the character at that particular index in S is a star or not. Okay. If it is a star, I'll just simply pop from the stack. If not, I will just keep on pushing into the stack. Okay. I and at the at the end of this if else logic, we are just simply implementing the index value. Okay. And at the end, I will simply just join whatever we have left in the stack and they will return it. So let's check out the test cases quickly. So yeah, the test cases got accepted successfully. Let's come for further evaluation. And awesome. So yeah, the solution got accepted. And I would say it was a really easy problem instead of a medium tact problem. So yeah, thanks so much guys for watching out the video and stay tuned for upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.